All right, so I'm trying something new. I'm actually recording this on my phone, so we shall see. Anyways, I got a package from Misguided, and this is for my cruise that I'm going on. I have some other items that I also got, but I'm not going to be showing those in today's video. I think I might do like a pack with me cruise thing when it's like closer to time. I don't know. Let me know if y'all want to see something like that, because I will definitely do that. I love shopping, even though I'm trying to be more sustainable and like thrift more or secondhand shop, whatever you want to call it, more. But I purchased this stuff before I made that decision, so don't judge me. Anyways, I am basically unboxing this stuff. Like, yeah, I haven't opened anything yet. Like, stuff is still packed up like this. Ew. Oh my god. They pack this stuff good. Oh. Y'all, look at this. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So it's basically a transparent bag. Midnight, get off my clothes. He is so nosy. Like, he has to be in my stuff, sniffing around like it's his. Get down. Comes with a strap, and yeah, this is removable. It's just to keep the shape. I think I'm gonna keep that in there though, because I don't want this to like lose its shape and be hella ugly before I get to go on my cruise. So I'm excited though. Like, this is gonna be my first cruise ever, and it's for graduation. So as some of you may know, I'm getting my PhD, and so me and my close friend, we met at the beginning of the program. We are going to go on a cruise together, so with some of our friends. Ooh, I'm excited too. I'm excited too. I'm going to definitely have to do a try-on haul though for like all of this stuff that I got. I kind of went the like floral, flowy type of way. So this is basically a cover-up for a swimsuit. This is the top, and I got pants to match. And these are the pants, and they're just wide legged all the way down. Yes, I think I got these both in the small. I might do a more detailed like, this is what I'm gonna wear and kind of show the outfits video. So I'm excited. These might have to get worn before the cruise. I've been needing why they look a little dingy? These literally on the side look like they've been worn. And they're not as nude as I thought, but I got these heels that are just some plain nude heels. But they have like I don't know if it's my lighting or what. They look dingy and darker than what I thought. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that. Ooh, and then I got this little red dress. Well, it's long. Baby, this is the dress. It's shorter than what I thought. Has a little slit on the side. And then I think it's supposed to, I don't know. It don't look the same as it did on the side. Oh, that's because that's the wrong way. Okay, hold on, wait, let me. Okay, so I think this is how it goes. So it's just a one sleeved dress, basically. Yeah, that's how it goes. I was sure about to say, what is that? But yes, I got that too. And that's it. Like, is that it? Oh, no. I'm excited about this. Even though I mean, I don't know. I hate wearing necklaces. Just not a necklace person. Unless it's like really small and simple. Sometimes I'll pull out a chunky if it's necessary. But basically this is come on now. Okay. This is just a, let me make sure it's the right way. 1994 necklace that's probably gonna get green after 2 wears, but yeah, I decided to get the little 1994 necklace. And that is all that I got from Misguided. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video. I feel like I shouldn't. It's only like 6 minutes anyway. Maybe I should, I don't know. If I don't edit the video, I don't edit the video, my bad y'all. But let me know if y'all like this style better. I think it's more convenient if I'm doing things on my phone rather than having to pull out my camera, make sure it's charged, hook it up to my computer that's broke, and you know, film and record and then edit on Premiere Pro or whatever, iMovie. And yeah, like I can just do everything from my phone. I don't know. And the quality is not that bad, but I am a mess. This is why I do edit my videos though, because I'm a whole mess. Anyway, let me know if y'all want to see more fashion videos from me. I love dressing up. I love putting outfits together. Clearly not today. It's been a long couple of weeks. But yeah, and let me know if you guys are interested in seeing kind of a pack with me / try on haul of the things that I'm going to take with me on my cruise. Anywho, I will see y'all in the next video. Let me go and get off of here and finish my homework. Until next time.